Everybody, I am Vibha Desai and my age is 54 years and I come from Borivali, Mumbai, and I have been operated last 4 months in June. I feel very energetic after the operation, and Dr. Goel's full team is too supportive, and Mrs. Madhu Goel is the best for any guidance. And to be saying, before the operation, I used to feel too laziness, and I had a sleepiness problem because of that I couldn't sleep in the bed. I slept only on two chairs the whole night. But after the operation, I got very much energetic for that, and my sleepiness problem is fully solved. And now I feel I am much younger than my age. And I would like to thank Mr. Goel for just supporting me and just giving me the suggestion to get this operation. But after this, as it is, after the age of 50, we have to complete our. We have to just uh, stick with the diet. But after this operation, we have to do that as it is, and exercise is very much necessary for also, and gym is also very much necessary. As it is, if we before I didn't walk even for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I felt very lazy and very tired, and climbing bricks, stairs and all. But now I can climb stairs. I can walk as much as and I do my walking every day, at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. That's all, and I feel very energetic, and that's the best way to live your life.